Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing. So today we have the Huawei Watch GT2, the 2019 model and late 2019 model. And so Huawei Watch 2 here, it's just the purple brown color, like the band. So let's open it. So it's pretty easy to open. You just pull on this. And so far, it's not too hard to do. So it has a really nice presentation. A very nice looking watch. Comes with a nice form as well. This is Huawei's
Do you want to know
best watches.
what it is?
So let's see what else we got in the box.
The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this
So we
very
got
room,
another bag.
you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Very professional. Got a warranty card. So it's professional. And we have instructions. How do you open this? This is a USB-C cable, Is it USB-C cable?
It is the
There's
world
no USB-C
that has
cable.
been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What
Looks
truth?
like it looks like it's wireless charging. In the box,
That
it
you
gives
are a
USB-C
slave.
code. Oh, okay, no, I see it. It's right here. Charging brick. Okay, I know. Oh, that's one smart move by Huawei, using a USB-C. So slowly we are getting into the generation where you will only need one cable for your entire thing, and one, I guess, what do you call this? So this band is very high quality, and even this band is very high quality. I don't know what I'm expecting at the moment, so I'll just put this to the side. I'll get back when I fix my camera angles. So it's a very high quality watch, and it has Gorilla Glass 6 on the front. Almost just dropped it, and it has, by the looks of it, 5 different cameras. Yes, 5, even though you can only see 4 lenses, there are 5 cameras. Or not cameras, like heart rate sensors and other things. It has a bold claim of 2 weeks battery life. We'll see that after a couple years. This is for my dad, by the way, not me. I have my Huawei Watch 2, which I have no idea where it is, but I do have it. Oh, it's right here. It's my Huawei Watch 2 2018 model. I mean, you can see already the difference in the screen. This is much more high quality. What do you call it? Band. And overall even looks slightly better. It's more of a sports feel to it. Just my opinion. To some people this might look better, but for me this looks better and looks much more complex, but yet simple. So I guess let's pair it up to the phone. So I have the Huawei P30 here, a really nice phone, and it is the best phone to pair, better than the Huawei Mate 30 Pro since it doesn't have Wear OS. All set. No, why is it connected to my watch? Okay, let's turn on the Huawei Watch GT2. I don't even know if I'm holding it right. I think so I am. Let's hope it's charged. Maybe it's this way. No, it is this way. It has a pretty similar feel to it, to the, okay, so English, GT, let's add a new watch, okay. Oh, it's supposed to download Huawei Health. I'll be back. Okay, I realized I have already downloaded Huawei Health, because it says it right here, Huawei Health, Huawei Health. So, devices, add to smartwatch. It's updating. Okay, no, I don't have any of these. These are Huawei GT2. Nice. Hello. Yes. Yes, yes. So this will be for my dad. So this is all my dad's information, which I cannot show. Okay, so we have done it. It's a smartwatch. It is a Huawei. Okay, so wait, it's not a Huawei Watch 2. Wait a minute. To go back to Huawei Health. Where's my Huawei Health? Okay, I have the Huawei Watch 2 series. Okay. No, I don't have this one. I think so I have this one. Allow. Pair. There is something seriously wrong. Okay, no, I found it. Oh wait, I did it again. This is so much harder to pair. Okay, no, I was correct. Huawei P30 Pro. Okay. I'll do that later. Okay. You don't need to know. Okay, so I'll try on the watch. I'll be the first person to try on this brand new Huawei Watch GT. This is pure leather. I mean, yeah, it's leather. Okay, it's much harder to take out. Probably have it maxed out. Okay, so the new things why this needs 5 sensors and costs pretty high is it's not too high. I mean, for a watch it's really good. Okay. Okay, so it can actually check your speed real time and much better than the Huawei Watch GT. Huawei Watch 2 I have here, and the screen is much bigger and it looks much nicer. And then it has this, where if you do that, it turns on automatically. It has pretty much the same apps but more refined software. Okay, I like that there you can change the watch faces. I'm pretty used to the Huawei. Oh no, they changed. Okay, no, they didn't change it. So it has a lot of. I usually have it on gallery, and I like the stripes. And the screen is much bigger and it looks much nicer. And then it has this, where if you do that, it turns on automatically. It has pretty much the same apps but more refined software. Okay, I like that there you can change the watch faces. I'm pretty used to the Huawei. Oh no, they changed. Okay, no, they didn't change it. So it has a lot of. I usually have it on gallery, and I like the stripes. It looks nice. I'll have this for now. And so this is the Huawei Watch GT, and this is the unboxing video. I shouldn't be showing that. So that's it, and that's all for today's video. Bye.